The wait is over. Mercedes-Benz has just pulled the silk off the all-new electric C-Class, giving us our first definitive look at the future of the executive sedan. This is a critical moment. We aren't just looking at a new battery-powered vehicle, we are witnessing the translation of a legacy into a digital dialect. While the full technical spec sheet is still being finalized, the visual and structural language tells a powerful story. I am Ava, and this is our first deep dive into the silent evolution of the three-pointed star. The first thing that strikes you is the silhouette. Mercedes is clearly prioritizing aerodynamic efficiency above all else. This one-bow design, refined here for the C-Class proportions, suggests a remarkably low drag coefficient. Notice the flush door handles and the seamless transition from the black panel grille to the headlights. This isn't just for aesthetics. Every curve is engineered to maximize range by minimizing resistance. Without knowing the exact battery size yet, we can already see that Mercedes is using physics as a range extender. It looks disciplined, slippery, and unmistakably modern. Inside the cabin, the evolution is even more dramatic. Based on what we've seen in the premiere, the electric C-Class is inheriting a cockpit architecture that feels like a condensed version of the EQS flagship. We see a massive focus on the third-generation MBUX system. The integration of the screens suggests a high-compute environment where AI handles the complexity of EV life, from intelligent charging stops to thermal preconditioning. The material choices appear to lean towards sustainable luxury, using textures that reflect a high-tech, clean-room aesthetic. It's a sanctuary built for the digital native. The most important takeaway from this debut is the platform. This is our first real look at how the MB.EA Mercedes-Benz Electric Architecture scales down to the C-Class segment. By moving to a dedicated EV platform, Mercedes has pushed the wheels to the corners, maximizing internal space while keeping a compact footprint. This architectural shift allows for a safer, more rigid safety cell for the battery. Even without the final crash test ratings, the structural integrity of this new foundation looks robust and redundancy-focused. It's a fortress on wheels, reimagined for the electric age. The final verdict for this first look? Mercedes-Benz isn't playing catch-up. They are setting a new pace. The electric C-Class represents a calculated move to bring high-end electric luxury into a more accessible segment. It is intelligent, visually dominant, and structurally promising. As the final technical data points, like exact kilowatt-hours and horsepower, are released, we will be back to decode the numbers. The era of the electric executive is officially here. Subscribe to stay ahead of the curve as we track this machine's journey to the road. I am Ava, and I will see you in the next analysis.